So I got the metal platform bed frame from SunnyFurn. In this video, I'm gonna go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Questions I was seeing is, what's the assembly time like? Second one is, do you need a box spring for this bed frame? And then I'm also gonna go over some perks that this bed frame has. So I've demoed a bunch of these, and this is a couple things that's unique to it that the other ones didn't, especially at this price point. So I wanna make sure I share that with you because I do think it's a pretty nice perk. But let's get into the questions, which is, what was assembly time like? So I got this assembled in about 30 minutes. Everything was nicely labeled for me. They gave you all the tools you needed, which is just an Allen wrench. You can put in bolts, get this together in 30 minutes. If you've got somebody helping you, they can get it together in maybe 15, 20. It really, really is that simple. And now for the second question, which is, do you need a box spring? So nope, as you can see, slats all the way through here, so you can throw your mattress on there. You're gonna be good to go. And what I like too is these slats are actually bolted into place. So when you are rolling around on it, they're not gonna rattle at all. They're all secured in with bolts. They're not gonna move one bit. And now for the final thing, which I was talking about, are the perks that this has. So first thing is going to be the mattress guards. You can see all the way across. So they give you those free of charge to make sure your mattress is not sliding around. Normally you would have to buy those separate, so the fact they just give you them and they go all the way around the bed frame, I think is really, really nice. Second is going to be holes in the back of your headboard. So if you do have a headboard you want to attach, you're going to have holes on the back of these so you can attach your headboard in there. So overall, I think it's a great customizable bed frame. And the fact they throw in the mattress guards for free is really, really awesome at this price point. So overall, it's the perfect bed frame. It was affordable, easy to put together. Like I said, I love they give you the mattress guards. If I'm a happy customer, you get 2 thumbs up.